Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan, who's going to make a nice, mellow, warm, Indian style yakni shorba. So let's get started. To begin with, first we switch on the gas. Add ghee. Let it heat up. Once the ghee starts heating up, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 2 dry red chilies. With that, I'm going to add cinnamon, green cardamom, and black peppercorn. Cook it for at least a minute or 2. Once the whole spice starts crackling, I'm going to add sliced garlic, julienne ginger. Saute it for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add sliced onion. At this stage, we're going to layer the chicken on top of the onion. And after layering the chicken, I'm going to add little turmeric, coriander powder. And after adding the masala, I'm going to put coriander and coriander roots together on top of the chicken. And with that, I'm going to pour some water on top of the chicken. And after pouring water into the pot, I'm going to let it boil for at least 30 minutes. Guys, 30 minutes are done. I'm going to switch off the gas, remove the lid, and transfer the stock through the strainer into a bowl. I have transferred the stock into a bowl and also I have deboned the chicken. Now I'll switch on the gas and transfer the stock back into the pot. As the stock starts simmering, I'm going to season it. First, garam masala, black pepper cumin powder, fennel powder, and last, salt. Stir it nicely and let it simmer for at least few minutes. After letting it simmer for a while, I'm going to lower the heat. At this stage, I'll add the cream to it. So guys, our soup is ready. Now we'll start plating it. For that, I'm going to put the chicken which we had deboned earlier into a bowl. I'm going to pour the soup on top of it. Finally, to garnish, I'm going to put 1 sliced boiled egg, then crushed black pepper, and last, freshly chopped coriander. And there you go guys, our warm, mellow yakni soup is now ready. You also definitely try this soup and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. And please stay warm and take care.